Updating your profile details on Ally Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ally Bank website or open the Ally mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Select the information to update. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Make your changes. Edit the necessary fields with your new information. Be sure to double check for accuracy, especially with sensitive details like your address or phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. Make sure to log out once you are finished to keep your account secure. Keeping your profile updated helps ensure you receive important communications and maintain account security.